Welcome back to my Blender tutorial series. I am the Spirited Maker, and today I will be discussing the Loop Cut feature within Blender 3D modeling software. The Loop Cut, as its name implies, cuts a loop in your geometry and is one of my most used functions when making a model. It is indispensable as a rapid prototyping and blocking tool that quickly lets me break down simple geometry into more useful objects. Let's start with a simple demonstration using the default startup cube. All mouse clicks and keyboard presses I perform in this tutorial will appear in the bottom left of the screen. The first thing we will do is go into edit mode by pressing tab. In order to perform a loop cut on your object, simply press Ctrl R on your keyboard. I believe it is Ctrl R because it is also known as the ring cut. You will also find it in your Edge menu, but I prefer keyboard shortcuts. This will present you with a ring on your object, and you will notice if you move the mouse it will change the plane that the loop will appear on. Once you have the plane selected in which you want the loop, click your left mouse button. You will now be able to slide the loop anywhere on that plane you wish, from one end to the other. Left mouse button again to set it in place and exit the loop cut function. What this will do, and is super useful, is leave the loop you just created as the selection. Now you can easily and quickly perform any of your basic modeling functions on this loop, like scale, rotate, move. You can also limit the edits to a specific X, Y, or Z plane. Let's try the loop cut on different types of geometry. The cylinder, it allows you to make either more horizontal cuts or add a vertical slice. On the torus, you can add more slices to the donut ring in either its cross section or vertical height slices. I hope you can see now how this is extremely useful for quickly blocking in your model. And with that, my friends, this has been a Blender tutorial, Loop Cuts. I hope you like it. If this has been useful to you, please consider subscribing. And as always, friends, God bless. Until next time.